Lorex offers another high-quality IP-based security camera with the release of the LNE4322, featuring a matte black exterior coating and built from aerospace grade aluminum. The LNE4322 is a domed camera providing 2K resolution. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's look at an exterior install near a garage. Here we are using an optional junction box available from the Lorex Technology website. It is available in black and white. We must first remove the camera ball from the mounting chassis. Unscrew and remove the outer ring of the camera and gently remove the camera from the base. Now remove the front plate from the junction box by loosening the 4 corner Allen bolts. There are 4 mounting holes on the camera base that will line up with the front plate of the junction box. The silicone stopper can be removed from the front plate and set aside. Align the 4 mounting holes on the camera chassis with the 4 threaded holes on the junction box. Attach the camera base using the provided Allen bolts. Gently thread the camera cables through the hole in the junction cover and place the camera ball onto the plastic camera glides. Now remove the outer ring and thread it back onto the camera chassis base. Do not tighten the ring completely if you plan to adjust the camera angle at this point. Since the camera is ball mounted, it can be easily rotated to point in the correct direction. Adjust the camera angle as required. Now tighten the outer ring to secure the camera in place. At this point, you may choose to replace the black silicone plug by separating it along the slit and sliding onto the cable. Gently push the plug into the front cover hole. The camera is now ready to install outside. We've drilled a hole in the brick on the mortar line and pushed the Ethernet cable through to the outside of the building, having run it through the garage. We've also installed 2 plastic anchors into the brick. You may choose to install more anchors for extra support. Thread the Ethernet cable through the back of the junction box and secure the junction box to the wall using 2 or more screws. Now connect the Ethernet plug from the camera to the long Ethernet cable coming from the NVR. Gently wrap the cabling inside the junction box. Align the 4 corner Allen bolts. Hold the camera in place and tighten each hex bolt with the supplied Allen key. Now we can do a final adjustment of the camera position. Loosen the outer ring slightly and rotate the ball head. It is ideal to keep the green-blue sensor pointing down in order for the image to be oriented correctly. The LNE4322 delivers crisp, clean images in day and night. The 12 infrared LEDs illuminate the side yard. When an external light is turned on, the camera switches to color night vision to display a full color image. The Lorex LNE4322 offers very high quality round-the-clock surveillance for all your security needs.